Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to create a terrain in Unity 5. To get started, you need to create a new project. Then name it to whatever you like. I will just call it Unity Tutorial. Save it to your desired location. And today we will be working in 3D. Then go ahead and import asset packages. I got some more asset packages installed, so don't be worried if you don't have all of them installed on your system. But the ones which you do need to import, which do come with Unity 5, are cameras, characters, effects, environment, particle systems, prototyping, utility, and vehicles. Then press Done and create your project. Depending how fast your computer is, it could take from anywhere between 5 minutes and half an hour to create a project on a very slow computer. So we will be back once the project has finished being created. Alright, we are now back in Unity 5. What you need to do is to go into Create, 3D Objects, and click on Terrain. This will create a new terrain where you can model your world. Let's zoom out quickly. It's a pretty large terrain, so I needed to zoom out. In order to move around your world, you hold the right click button and drag. To move, you use the WASD keys. And if you want to go faster, just hold down Shift. And to pan around, you hold the middle scroll button. And to move around even faster, hold the Shift button again. Now, let's move to our scene using our right control button, right click hold button, and our WASD keys and Shift. Now, this is the raise lower terrain brush. Here you can raise and lower the terrain. For now, let's just use this simple brush, the first one, and we can adjust brush size here and the opacity, how strong the brush is here. Now, we can just start painting our terrain. For now, this terrain is white, but we want it to be a kind of a grass texture. So we go into the fourth tab from the left, which has a kind of a paintbrush icon. This is the paint texture brush. For now, let's go to Edit Textures, Add Texture, and then go to Albedo RGB Smoothness A. Select. Because of all of the assets we imported, we can now just search for grass and select Grass Hill. Then press Add. It instantly adds texture to our terrain. Now, let's just make this higher, and then I want these to become a mountain. So what I'll do is later on add another texture that's textured rock, and then paint over the tops. Now that I have finished modeling my terrain, I can add the rocky texture. So we again go to the fourth tab from the left, the paint texture brush, then we go into the edit textures tab and then press add textures. Then we go to Albedo RGB Smoothness A tab again and press select. Now we want a rock texture. So I search for rock, and I get a kind of grassy rock, but this isn't exactly what I'm looking for. So stone, no. Let's see. Maybe this will look okay. It's the noise and grain, but it's nope. We can't add that. For now, let's just add a grassy rock texture. Mm, let's adjust the metallic. Right. Let's just keep this all at 0 for now. Now we need to select the grassy rock texture and then paint over. To get more textures, you should go to the internet and download the picture that's square aspect ratio, and then put it into your Unity project, or go into the Unity asset store and download some textures there. There are some free ones out there which you can use in your project. Now, I quickly made this in just a few minutes. Now what we can do is just go into the assets, standard assets, characters, first person character, prefabs, and then drag the FPS controller into the world on top of your terrain here. Now, when I play, I should be able to move around my world. And that is how you quickly make a terrain. And you also have the sun up there. So, thanks for watching, and see you later.